Hey, so if you want to track products, stock levels, or business supplies, yeah, creating an inventory tracker in Google Sheets is a simple and powerful solution. In this guide, I'll show you how to make an inventory tracker in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. Give your spreadsheet a name like Inventory Tracker or Stock Management. Now create headers like Product Name, SKU, Quantity, Price, Supplier, and Status. Enter your products and stock information into the spreadsheet. Use formulas to calculate totals, stock value, or remaining inventory automatically. Use conditional formatting to highlight low stock items automatically. Add drop-down menus for categories or stock status like in stock or out of stock. Filters help you quickly organize products by quantity, supplier, or category. You can create charts to visualize inventory levels and stock movement. Share the tracker with your team and update stock information regularly. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make an inventory tracker in Google Sheets and manage stock more efficiently in 2026.